If you're shopping for a mobile hotspot plan, Verizon, AT&T, and Boost all offer options, but they're not built the same. Here's a quick breakdown to help you choose the right one. Let's start with Verizon. Verizon offers the fastest speeds when you're in a strong 5G ultra-wideband zone. Their dedicated hotspots plan, they start at 15 gigs and go up to 150 gigs. But they're pricey, especially if you don't already have a Verizon phone plan. The good news is you get premium network access and solid coverage. AT&T's Data Connect plans are more flexible. You can get 25 gigs, 50 gigs for standalone hotspots, and the network performs well in the most rural areas compared to Verizon. The downside, speeds can fluctuate, and you don't get full 5G everywhere, even if your device supports it. Boost Mobile is the budget pick. Their prepaid hotspot plans go up to 35 gigs with no contract, and the pricing is way more affordable, but performance varies depending on which network your plan uses. Boost runs on a mix of T-Mobile and AT&T. Coverage and speed aren't as consistent, especially in remote and crowded areas. So, what's the verdict? Verizon wins on raw speed and premium access if you're willing to pay. AT&T offers solid coverage with decent flexibility, and Boost is the best for short-term or light usage without breaking the bank. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments what else you want to see from us next, and we'll catch you in the next one.